The weather is so nice today, isn't it?
Yes, it's a great day for a walk.
And perfect for shopping, too.
True. We're going to the bookstore, right?
Yes, I'm thinking of buying a storybook.
What kind of stories do you like?
I love adventure and mystery stories.
Good choice. Is there a discount at the bookstore?
I think they have a 10% discount today.
Great. You also need a notebook, right?
Yes, I need a new notebook.
We can find notebooks at the bookstore too.
I hope so. It should be good quality and affordable.
Don't worry. We'll find something together.
What about you? Are you planning to buy anything?
Maybe I'll get a novel. I haven't read one in a while.
Good idea. What kind of novels do you like?
I usually enjoy science fiction or fantasy.
Great choices. The bookstore should have plenty of options.
Definitely. By the way, I'm starting to get hungry.
We can grab something to eat after shopping.
Yeah, there's a nice cafe nearby. We could go there.
Sounds good. Something sweet would be nice.
We can sit at the cafe and read our new books.
That's a great plan. We can relax and enjoy.
We're on the street where the bookstore is now.
This area is so lively. The bookstore should be right around the corner.
Yes, there it is. Let's go.
I'm excited. I hope we find everything we're looking for.
I'm sure we will. Let's head inside.